Hey YouTube, just wanted to do a quick installation tip video for you when doing rotors. A feature that is not talked about very often in rotors is whether or not they're directional. Now these happen to be cross-drilled and slotted, but even in blank rotors, some of the rotors have what's called straight vanes or vents in here, and some have angled. This is angled. If yours is straight, when you look down in or put a screwdriver in, you can install them on either side. And if you have slotted and drilled, some manufacturers prefer the slants to go to the rear and some to the front, so you have to check with them on that. But you don't go off of this to determine that. You go off of the internal vanes and slots. Now, in my research, 99% of the time, all of the vanes, the internal vanes that are directional for rotors, should be facing the rear, and that's usually to allow heat to dissipate from it. However, on this Lexus LS460 all-wheel drive, which I believe the LS600s and the LS460 F Sports all have the directional rotors with the vanes pointed to the front, and I've double-checked that with multiple forums, Lexus dealerships, and verifying parts. So if you're doing a Lexus LS460 all-wheel drive, F Sport, or 600, they should be facing to the front according to Toyota and Lexus. And all other applications that I'm aware of, they go to the rear. So again, just something to consider when you're installing rotors, something people don't talk about very often. It's probably not very big deal for street use, but if the heat is not dissipating or the rotors are not cooling adequately, that could lead to premature warpage. Hope that helps.